What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. And yeah, man, I got this terrible hair exposed, but I got a video. We got a video coming up. It's gonna be pretty cool. Anyway, this one's all about these plants. Your boy got another drop off. So thankful for my brother. You know what I'm saying? Some people, you know, they have need for plants, and some people are like, hey, I don't need these plants. I happen to be the person who needs the plant, so hey, I got the plants, and he happened to be one who didn't need the plant. So I'm so very thankful that I'm connected to such beautiful, loving people, and people who are willing to give and not trash. However, yeah, boy, have some planting to do. And I'm in the front yard today because I really don't do a lot in the front yard because I really don't know what to do in the front yard. But I do know I want to put some of these shrub plants, which all of these are like the same type. He told me what they are. Sorry, I forgot. However, he said they grow up like shrubs and they have like flower blooms here and there throughout the year. So that's what they do. That's what they are. I don't know the name, whatever, whatnot. But I'm gonna plant them in the front yard, and I'm gonna just show you the front yard. So let me just show it to you. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I'm working with out here. These happen to be some other plants that he didn't want and gave it to me. Palm tree, same thing. It's been cold here, so that's why it's kind of like shriveling up like that, but it will bounce back. Yeah, man, this is the bed. I did that pallet deck in another video. And of course you see the surplus of leaves, which I've been kind of like trying to wait to do something out here in the front because of the leaves, but I realized they're pretty unending. Or I can wait another month, but I really don't want to wait that long. I planted that. That is a Parisian shield. The plant is wonderful and it feels magnificent. Like even this one is kind of like shriveling up and dying because of the weather, but like look at that. Look at that. When I went to the nursery and saw that, I couldn't leave it. I mean, how could you leave a plant that looks like this? Exactly. Or that, but and then you have this area. Like you see it now, and keep in mind this will be my first spring, my first summer here in this house. So my plan here is just to make this thing look beautiful. Now my neighbor over there, that's competition. His yard looks beautiful. I'm in competition with him. He don't know it, and they don't know it, but I'm coming for him. And it's one plant at a time, beautiful people. Yeah. So as you can see, I have my work cut out for me on this yard and on this project, but I mean, I'm here for it. Like this right here, this is as sorry as this yard will be. Like, go ahead, take a look. This is as sorry as it will ever be. Like, beauty is on the way. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and plant these flowers. Go ahead and put them down, lay them down, put them in the ground. You know how I do, doing my green thumb thing. And if you don't know how I do, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right now because you need to join the family. To Don't Keep Up with the Jones family and the green thumb family. Like, go ahead, join us, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification so you are notified when we do other videos like this, or our family videos, or giveaways, or things like that, because we have fun on this channel and I want you to be a part of the fun too. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and plant these bad boys. I'm gonna start there. I'm gonna plant probably about 4. I'm gonna see how it works. I picked up some cow manure, which is over there, because I love it when I put it down in the ground, when I plant different things like that to help, you know, enrich the growth of the plants. Now, as you can see, like I'm not putting my hands in my mouth and things like that because, you know, people scared of the corona. Okay, I don't want you to leave my channel because you're scared of the corona. I'm doing unpreventative things. I ain't worried about the corona because I don't live in fear. I'm fearless. At the same time, I don't know where you are with your walk, but if you walk like me, you'll walk fearless, cause I know what's been said far before I heard what's being said. Check your knowledge. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then what's left, I'm gonna go ahead and put on that gate area over there. Just maybe a little bush situation, I don't know, something like that. And yeah, man, let's get to it. I think y'all want to see me plant, so let's do it. So for this project, I am using my regular shovel. Also have my spade shovel. As you can see, boom, boom. I have 5 plants that I have already out here. Y'all know my cow manure, got it ready, and I got my water hose. As y'all know how I do this thing. deep my hole is. Now I'm about to fill it with some compost, water it down, and then plant. Let's see how we do. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's just that easy. First 5 planted. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a light water as I look in the camera as I do it. So I'm gonna give it a light water because it's been watered from the bottom, not really from the top. And I'm gonna come out here and water them, you know, like every other day or so. Well, probably like 3 times a week. Truth be told, about 3 times a week, because this area is pretty shaded, so it won't get that much sun exposure. However, you know, you just want to make sure everything is nice and copacetic in that area. Now I'm trying to figure out where to place and put the other ones. Well, I know where. I'm gonna put some over there, just to go ahead and finish out this row of plants here, and then I'll probably put a couple over there just to kind of show that was thought that went into what you all see here. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and get this party started. Some out. Well, beautiful people, as you can see, I made it to the night of day, but I did pretty good. I added that one, wait, boom, added that one. I added 2 over here, actually. 2 over here, and then I added 2 over here just to kind of fill that area out so it'll be a nice shrubbery, bushy area. I'm gonna add a couple of crotons in front of it, literally like 2, just boom, boom, just for a little color pop. But of course, I didn't want these bushes to be close to the window, so that's why there's the gap in space as it is. And let me go to the other area where I did these. It looked pretty slim right now, slim and tight. But those are planted, done. Y'all saw me do that process. Those are done. So I have fun, man. I planted, let's see, 1, 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 8 is 14, plus another 2, that's 16, plus another 2 over there. That's 18 plus 2 more that I have to do. That's 20 plants. 20 plants in 2020. I got 2 more to go. Those 2 bad boys. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, but I want to go ahead and finish out this video before it got too dark and you all couldn't see all of my work. But here are my other 2 right here. Boom, boom. Just to go ahead and finish out this whole little, you know, gated area. But yeah, oh, what I found out is that is the key. I made a mess on the other side over there trying to just like make a pile and then like shovel it in a pile. No. Get you a planter. This is a huge planter vase situation, and I just dump as I dig. I dump, dig, dump, and actually here's excess from only did 4 plants like that, and I have so much excess soil with that, doing it that way. But yeah, man, like I said, 2 more to go and I'll be finito. And if you have any other ideas of things that I could do, things that I should do, please drop it in the comment section. And as you are scrolling down to the comment section, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can see what this yard ends up looking like as I progress through this spring season. And like I said, I got that hair video coming, so go ahead and check that out. I love you all, beautiful people. You know what I'm saying? Don't keep up with the Joneses, because you have so much greatness on the inside of you, and the world needs you to be you. So be you, and I try to be like somebody else. You heard me? So go ahead and watch that video. Boom, 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 boom. Watch that one. Then go ahead and watch that one after you subscribe. Love y'all, beautiful people. Until next time, peace.